Okay, what's going on, people? Mr. Unzippy here. On today's video, I'm gonna do a little tutorial on how to export your AM5 model into an FBX so it's compatible with Blender and Substance. So, firstly, what you want to do is you want to go into Content Manager, you want to hit Settings, go to Plugins, and you want to install the FBX converter. This is kind of like essential for converting the FBX file into a readable format for Blender to understand, so you can import your model into Blender. We want to go and we want to pick out a car that you want to make your livery for. So let's take this car for example. You want to jump into custom showroom. You want to go into paint shop and you want to make a new skin. So I'm going to call this one O2 test. Save that. Now that we've done that, we now want to unpack LOD KM5. Now bear in mind, if your car is encrypted, you will not be able to do this. This will only work with unencrypted models. So we'll hit that. This will do its thing. And you'll get file within your car file, unpack Nissan 2023 FBX. So we're done with this. We can close this. We can close this. You want to open up Blender. You want to delete the default scenes, and you want to just simply drag your FBX from the file into Blender. You don't need to mess with any of these settings. Straight import. You'll get your car. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the door. You want to hold Shift and you want to click L. You want to go down to Material. Once you've done that, you want to hold Control J to join the materials together, and that will give you a usable UV. And what I like to do to get the base texture is just literally paint over the UV. There you go. You can see the car. You can see the textures. Okay, that's that step done. Now you want to export as a GLB. Make sure it's binary GLB, and we want to put it back in to this folder here. It can go anywhere. You can put it on your desktop if you want. I just put it here for sake, keeping things together. Call this a test. We'll export it. Give it a second. Let it do its thing. Okay, we're now done with Blender. And we have the GLB. Now you want to open up Substance Painter. This is where it gets fun. Now we're inside Substance. You want to go to New. You want to import your Nissan. Find it. This one, unpacked, GLB, open. You want to do resolution at 4K. You want to make sure your normal map format is DirectX. This is for Assetto. OpenGL is for CarX. Open that up. Give it a second. Boom. We have the car inside Substance. Now, what we want to do is we want to find the body texture basically for the car. So for this case, it's called car paint. You want to go up to the eye in focus mode, and you want to focus this texture only basically. You can also do the banner out. And there you go, you can see the banner. Now we have the car inside Substance, and we can edit body and the UV. One way that I like to do is I like to come down to the imported textures, get rid of the base color that we did inside Blender, and you can change whatever color you want basically. You can also do it the same to the banner. Banner will have its own imported texture. Get rid of the base color. Get whatever color we want. So let's get some random stickers just for the sake of putting stickers on the car. For me, I'm just gonna put gradient over the car. Go up to, we pull the gradient in. We want to go projection and change it to UV projection, so it wraps the car basically. Change this back to black. Oh, wrong one. Change this back to black. And then we'll put a little sticker on the hood as well. Now, straighten sticker up and make it center. You want to hit 0 there. This at 100. This one needs to be minus 180. One also needs minus 180. That will then straighten the sticker up completely center with the car. Resize it. Drag it up a little bit. Grab another sticker for the roof. Boom. Same again. 0. We'll leave this X rotation, but we'll do 180 there, and we'll also put 0 here this time. Resize it. Make sure it looks good. And what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to add a filter, and we're going to add color match. So it will redo the color. I'll just do it white, for example. There. Once you have your basic livery done, you now want to export this livery, but you need to untick all of the textures that you're not using. So quite a process. Let me just quickly get this done. So we've got all of that unchecked. And what you want to do is you want to click on the car paint or body paint texture, and you want to remove these ones as well. You only want the base color. Same for the banner. We want to remove all of these. Just want the base color. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go up to global settings. We're going to set the padding to dissolution diffusion, and we're going to change this to 8. Then going to go 4K, PNG, 16 bits, and then document channels normal plus AO with alpha. Now we want to put this with our other textures. So we're going to go to here, and we're going to paste this, and we're going to export it. There we go. Base colors have been exported. We can now close out of this. We don't need that. Now the last step to get it into the game is we're going to open up GIMP. You can also use Photoshop with a DDS plugin, I believe it's free. We're going to drag our car paint base color, and we're going to export this into our skins folder, to the 2 tests that we did earlier. We want to change the file type to DDS image, and we also want to change the name to remove the base color. So carpaint.dds, export. Make sure that you generate min maps and use save type all visible layers. I'm going to drag in the banner, and we're going to do the same. Export as, back, ins, test, file type, DDS image. I'm going to remove the base color from the name. Now you want to open up Content Manager, and you want to make sure that you're on your skin and you've just put the 2 files in. And if we open up Custom Showroom, you'll now see our livery in game. You know, nice and snazzy. 4K images. So the next thing you could do to really finish off the livery is update the previews, so then you can see your livery here in the Content Manager. That is all. That is how you export your car change the format FBX to GLB, import it into Adobe Substance, take your livery, export it, go into GIMP, and then export it into your skins folder. Simple as that. If you guys have any questions or any queries, please just drop a comment. I'll reply to all of them. It's been your boy, Mr. Unzippy. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you like the video. Peace.